Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence has the ability to remember? A question that piques the curiosity of many. After all, memory is a fundamental facet of human intelligence. But when it comes to AI, the concept of memory isn't as straightforward. You see, traditional AI systems don't have a memory in the human sense. They're designed to process information and execute tasks. But once the task is complete, they don't retain any knowledge of it. They live in the moment, so to speak. But what if we told you that there's an AI that breaks this mold? Meet ChatGPT, an AI model developed by OpenAI that's challenging the norms. Unlike its counterparts, ChatGPT has been engineered with a unique feature: memory. This revolutionary AI remembers your chats, your preferences, your nuances, creating a more personalized and engaging interaction. Now let's dive into how ChatGPT's memory feature works. ChatGPT's memory might not be what you'd expect. It operates quite differently from human memory. Rather than storing specific conversations or experiences like we do, ChatGPT processes and stores information in a unique way. Think of it as a super-powered note-taker. As you chat with it, ChatGPT swiftly analyzes your input, extracts key details, and then uses this information to generate appropriate responses. It's like it's jotting down the gist of your conversation in its digital notebook, using this to understand and respond to you. Now you might be wondering, how long does ChatGPT remember this information? Well, its memory isn't permanent. Unlike us, who can recall events from years ago, ChatGPT's memory window is significantly shorter. It's designed to forget information after a conversation ends. This means it can't remember your previous chats once you close the chat window. It's a feature designed with a focus on user privacy. Let's now touch on the concept of memory slots. In the realm of artificial intelligence, memory slots are like little compartments where ChatGPT stores contextual information during a conversation. These slots keep track of the current conversation's context, allowing ChatGPT to maintain a coherent and relevant dialogue. It's like having a set of drawers where it can quickly pull out the information it needs to keep the conversation flowing smoothly. Also, it's essential to note that these memory slots are transient. Once the conversation ends, the slots are emptied, and the information is discarded. This transient nature further emphasizes the temporary nature of ChatGPT's memory and its commitment to user privacy. In a nutshell, ChatGPT's memory is a complex system that processes and stores information in real time, maintains context during a conversation, and forgets information once a conversation ends. It's a perfect blend of technical innovation and practical application, ensuring that each chat experience is unique, engaging, and secure. ChatGPT's memory feature is a fascinating blend of technical innovation and practical application. You might be wondering, how does this memory feature come into play in real-world applications? Well, let's start with the user experience. Imagine having a personal assistant who, just like a human, can remember your previous discussions, your preferences, your pet's name, or the book you're currently reading. This creates a seamless interaction, where you don't have to repeatedly provide the same information. It's like having a conversation with a friend who knows you well, rather than a machine that resets after every conversation. Then there's the quality of interactions. ChatGPT's memory feature not only remembers, but also learns from past interactions. This means the more you interact with it, the better it gets at understanding you. It can recall your previous queries, learn your language style, and even adapt to your tone, making the interactions more engaging and less robotic. Moving on to personalization. We all love a personal touch, don't we? When ChatGPT remembers you, it can provide recommendations based on your past interactions. If you've discussed a love for science fiction books, next time it might suggest a new release in that genre. It's like having a personalized concierge service at your fingertips. Moreover, this memory feature enables meaningful conversations with the AI. It's not just about tasks and queries anymore. You can discuss your day, share your thoughts, or just have a casual chat, knowing that ChatGPT will remember and build upon these conversations in future interactions. It's a step towards making AI not just a tool, but a companion. Finally, in professional settings, ChatGPT's memory can be a game changer. It can recall meeting points, deadlines, or project details, making it an invaluable tool for managing workloads and improving productivity. So whether it's enhancing the user experience, improving interaction quality, personalizing the conversation, or making chats more meaningful, the practical implications of ChatGPT's memory are immense. It's not just about making AI smarter, but also more human-like. ChatGPT's memory feature truly adds a new dimension to our interactions with artificial intelligence. As we've seen, the memory feature of ChatGPT is truly a game changer. It's a leap forward in the realm of artificial intelligence, a stride towards making our interactions with AI more seamless, more personal, and more meaningful. To recap, we've explored the enigma of AI memory, delving into the intricacies of how ChatGPT's memory works. We've learned that it's not just about storing data, but about understanding and contextualizing our interactions. It's about creating an AI that can reference past conversations, remember preferences, and offer a more personalized experience. Next, we unraveled the anatomy of ChatGPT's memory. It's an intricate system, built upon layers of neural networks and algorithms. It's about using these networks to process and store information, enabling the AI to recall specific details from past interactions. This isn't just about the AI getting smarter, it's about the AI becoming more human-like in its interactions. We've also delved into the practicality of ChatGPT's memory. We've seen how this feature can enhance our interactions with AI, whether it's providing more personalized responses, remembering our preferences, or even recalling past conversations. It's an exciting prospect, one that opens up a world of possibilities for how we interact with AI. But as with anything, the best way to truly understand something is to experience it firsthand. I encourage you to engage with ChatGPT to see its memory feature in action. Experience the thrill of having an AI remember you, your preferences, your past conversations. It's an experience unlike any other, a glimpse into a future where AI isn't just smart, it's personal. In conclusion, the memory feature of ChatGPT is more than just a technical upgrade. It's a step towards a more personalized, more human-like AI. It's an exciting time to be involved in the world of AI, and it's only going to get more exciting from here. So, the next time you chat with an AI, remember, it might just remember you too.